Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome to another lesson on a media query. Okay, so we are taking our media query knowledge step after step. Okay, in this lesson we are going to be looking at the media query nav bar. All right, we are going to be working with the nav bar. Okay, making the nav bar responsive. All right, when we say making the nav bar responsive, where in a certain point in time the nav bar going to be in horizontal form, and certain point in time it's going to be in vertical form based on the web page, the width of our web page. Okay, so quickly let's get into it, guys. We want to create our first div here, and in the first div we want to class it and give it a class name nav. All right, and we'll come into this div, we open it up, and then we make few anchor tag there. All right, so the few anchor tag we're going to make here, we just give them this, come at the end of this, we say home, and then we'll close this out. After closing this, I can just copy it and paste it 3 times quickly. Okay, in here I can say about, and here I can say contact. All right, after saving this, we want to open it out into the browser and see how it looks like. All right, so I'll open this out quickly. Now this is the result that we have. Okay, this is the result that we have. All right, but we want to start it out and make it to look little concerning. All right, not like this. Unlike this, very bad. All right, so I will come into our internal styling section here, and then the first thing we're going to call the nav, and in this nav we're going to ask it to display flex. Good. Come out of this and say justify content. There should be space round. All right, let's use space round here for this. So the next play we want to use, after doing this, we want to come here and give it a background. We'll need a background. All right, we need a background, so we'll say deep sky blue. Give it a background color of deep sky blue. All right, and save this. Now if I open this into the browser, all right, this is what we see. Okay, the next thing we want to format our text and make it look more correct for us. Okay, so the next thing is to format our text, make it look more correct for us. I will come down here and call the nav again and give the anchor tag a. Now I'm saying this class here, after the class I'm concatenating it with this now. Okay, so in this class we have this. All right, so considering this as a parent and this a child. All right, so working with the child only for now. So for here we'll say text decoration should be none. Good, and then we say padding, we'll use the padding of 12. all right, 12 pixel, we use 12 pixel, and then we save it, and then we save it like this. First we head back to our work and see, then increase our font size first. Font size, our font size should be, let's say 1 rem. We'll save it, and then we head back to our work, we refresh it, voila, we have this already. Now we can change the text color as well. When we come here, we say color white. All right, we save this. Okay, so to give us more visibility, we'll then make this as black and come back here, refresh this quickly. Now we have more visibility. Okay, we have the home, we have the about, and we have contact. All right, now if I inspect this page here and then I start to drag it, now you see it will just keep clumping on each other. All right, it will just keep enclosing on each other until the entire thing get destroyed. All right, but I don't want it to be like this. With the help of media query, I'm able to take it from in the horizontal format and put it in a vertical format. Now let's try that quickly and see what will be our result. Let the magic happen. Okay, now I'm going to call our media, I'll call our media and state a condition saying at 600 pixel. All right, and say the maximum width should be 600 pixels. Okay, after we get out of this, the next things we want to do here is to state the condition. Where are we stating the condition? The CSS rule should be on the left bar, on the left. All right, so we say flex, the flex direction should be column. All right, we save this. Now the next thing we want to tell you that is your align, or adding center. Good, we save it. Now with just the piece of media query here, now you're going to see the magic. All right, if I come back here, refresh it, you see it's nothing. But if I start to bring this closer, when we hit 600, right, when we hit 600, you see a break. Once we hit 600, it break. All right, once we hit 600, it's gonna break. All right, 600, it break. So that way we can be able to reduce our web page and see other things properly. Okay, so guys, this is just how we can help in the process of making media query more helpful to our web page. Okay, media query is very important, trust me. Media query is very important. You will use it all throughout your development process. You will use it all throughout, although there are other frameworks that have embedded media query within them, but at a certain point in time you have to implement your custom media query, because based on certain specific. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for sticking around. All right, this is Code with Tech, and I remain Code with Tech. Okay, so guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please do not forget, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to this channel, please, so that we can keep growing. When you subscribe to the channel, trust me, you turn on the notification bell, you're going to receive notification for every video that we drop, every video. So guys, thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Subscribe to my channel.